Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create photo collage using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Canva application on my mobile phone, and if you want to create photo collage, we can use a template from Canva. You can go to the search menu and then search for photo collage. Just type in photo collage like this, and then there will be a lot of templates you can use. You just need to select the template that you like. For example, I'm going to select this template, and we can replace the photos in the template with our photos. Okay, tap on the photo and you're going to click on the replace button. Okay, and select replace right here, and then I'm going to select photos from my gallery, but wait, it's still loading. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, and then for the second one I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, then for the third photo I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, now it's done, and now the photo collage has been created. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download icon, and the photo will be saved to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make photo collage in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.